Hey everybody, Nate Lee here, and I'm at the Swannanoa Gathering this week teaching fiddle. And I wanted to still make sure to take some time to make a mandolin video for all of you out there who watch my YouTube channel and Facebook. By the way, if you're new to the channel, if you would subscribe, then you'll see all this stuff sooner, and it also really helps with YouTube's algorithm showing the channel to other people. If you're watching on Facebook, make sure to follow this page for more cool stuff like this. So I'm going to show you how to play some cool, droney, old-timey chords in the key of D. Here at Swannanoa, there's a lot of really great jams, and I've sat in on a couple old-time jams recently, which is really not a style I know a lot about, but I can still have fun playing some of these chords behind the tune. So I'm going to show you a basic set of chords to play behind tunes in D if you want a droney, old-time sound. So you're going to need a D, a G, and an A chord. And for all of these chords, we're going to drone our open A and open E. So for your D chord, we're going to play 7 on the G, 4 on the D, and then drone your open A and E. Sounds like this. For your G chord, we're going to play 4 on the G, open D, and then still open A and open E. If you're noticing something weird about this G chord, it has no G in it. And that's okay, we don't need a G in our G chord. And then our A chord, we're going to play 6, 2, and then again open A and open E. Then we'll just return to D, 7, 4, and open. When you put them together, they sound like this. And there you have it, some old-time chords that you can play. Hope to see you at a camp sometime soon. I'll be out at Camp Bluegrass teaching fiddle next month, so sign up and I'll see you there.